Hi, I'm Josh Fisher with Fisher's Marina. I'm standing on a SunCatcher. It's a G3 brand, a Yamaha owned company, and this is the all new 2021 Select 324 SL. The 3 stands for that it's a tri-tube boat. The 24 means it's 24 feet long, and the SL stands for the floor plan. In this case, the SL is the rear seat layout with the dual helm seats, and the rear seats transform into multiple layouts. As we come in throughout the boat, you'll notice the ski locker, which is standard on their tri-tubes. It is a nice ski locker, well finished inside. Plenty of storage to get your water toys off the floor and out of the way so you're not tripping over them. The table is a nice large table with a foam mat on top of it to make a nice non-slip area with 3 nice stainless steel cup holders. The seats are nice and deep, so you have plenty of support across your legs. They're not too high so that you can set your arm up here and be nice and comfortable when you're cruising on the lake. Very comfortable seat while giving you plenty of storage under the seats. All plastic molded seat bases. And something that G3 is doing a good job of is they have still upholstered the base of their seats, which makes it look like a finished product. A lot of companies are not upholstering the seat bases and leaving them just the plastic, which is nice, but the vinyl upholstered base looks a lot more finished. As we come throughout the boat, you'll notice that there's rivets throughout the back of the panels. These are attached to the rails on the back side, making that panel a lot stronger. Something you don't see on a lot of companies today. We did the black rail upgrade on this boat, which is a little different than a lot of companies. A lot of companies are doing anodized. This is more of a paint baked on finish, which gives it a smooth, real high gloss finish. Just something different, looks real well. As you come back to the captain and co-captain's area, you'll notice the co-captain has a nice raised box with 2 cup holders and a storage area. All the seats are nice tall back seats with armrest. When we go to the driver's area, brand new helm for 2021. They redid this whole boat this year. Steering wheel, tilt wheel, nice radio, easy to reach, area for your cell phone or other electronic devices, as well as a place to plug USB or auxiliary input for the radio. Cup holder right above that. Gauges are easy to read. Nice display over here that you could add a graph, fish finder, depth finder, anything like that. You have a nice clean area to do that in. There's even a little track built into the top of their helm to keep your gear from kind of sliding around. Nice feature. All your switches are just to the right, easy to reach. Controls at a nice position. Key switch is just below that, and then a fire extinguisher is easily accessed for the driver. Decent amount of leg room. They coped the helm back so you don't have your knees into the helm area. Really nice feeling helm. Armrest, high back seat again for the driver as well as the co-captain. As we come to the back of the boat, there's a nice bench seat here across from the transforming loungers. Storage area. And then we get to the transforming loungers that a lot of people love this because it gives you a flexible floor plan throughout the day. So right now we have it set up for 2 bench seats facing the rear of the boat. Great for when you're out tubing, doing any of your water sports. 4 people can sit across the back of the boat and watch whoever's on the tube or a ski in the back. You can easily pick this up and push it back and have 2 benches facing each other. The table inserts here into the floor, and a nice area to set and eat lunch or dinner when you're going in the lake. You can also take this again and move it forward, and you have a nice rear facing lounger. It's a large bed that 2 people can sit at. We can take it again and put it into the seat position, and we can grab this one and move to here, and we have 2 forward facing bench seats when you're cruising on the lake that 4 people can sit at, or we can move it again down and have a forward facing bed. This is a really nice boat. One of our most popular floor plans over the last couple of years, and at a great price point. Please call us if you have any questions. Thank you very much.